How to enable Siri on your iPhone. Let's get started. Want to use Siri to make calls, send messages, and get information hands-free? Here's how to enable Siri on your iPhone in just a few steps. First, open your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri. Tap on it and you will see several options to customize Siri settings. Click on Talk to Siri. Check in for the option Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Click on Enable Siri. Click on Continue. You'll be prompted to spell out few sentences. You have to do that. Once you complete this process, your Siri will be ready. Once setup is complete, Siri is ready to respond whenever you say Hey Siri or Siri. You can toggle on for this option. Press side button for Siri if you wanna use side buttons to enable the Siri. Likewise, head back. You can toggle on for the option Allow Siri when locked. Now you can access Siri even if your phone is locked. This is especially useful for quick hands-free tasks. Next up, you can click on Voice. From here, you can select the accent as well as voice for your Siri. And that's it. Now your Siri is enabled on your iPhone and ready to help you with all of your tasks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.